Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Sonos 5 speaker with your smartphone and the Sonos application. So first of all, you need to get this green LED blinking. So if you don't know how to move this speaker to the pairing mode, you can find the second video on our YouTube channel. Basically, you just have to perform the hard reset by using the back button on the speaker. And next, you just have to go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Sonos application. It works and looks basically the same for both devices, for the Android and the iOS. That's the application that we have to download, so let's get it right now. Right now, let's open. And here we have this first screen, so we have to click, we have to swipe and then select to view terms of the use, pick our location and then read all of this stuff, then click accept. Right now we have to click to set up the new system. We have to input our mail. If you don't have account, you have to create the new one, then click continue and then input the password. Then you have to tap sign in. That's the first and the last name. Accept these permissions, click continue everything, then click done. And now just wait a little bit. We will have this automatic notification that will pop on our screen. So accept another permissions, click continue. Right now it is connecting to our speaker. Click continue one more time. There we go, it is connecting to our Sonos 5. And as you can see, it looks like we are connected right now. And all we have to do is just input the Wi-Fi password of the network that we are connected. And then when you input your password, just click connect. There we go, and right now just select your room. So for example, I'm gonna put this speaker into the office. Click OK. Then click done. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.